Hi there, welcome to Dabble. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to save products from anywhere online and visualize them in Dabble. To start a design, click the plus button on your home screen. This opens up a new design. This is a blank canvas that represents your room. You can customize it by choosing a wall color from one of the preset values or pick a custom color. You can also choose a floor color that matches your own. Next, open the wishlist tab. You see that it's empty, and that's because we haven't clipped any products yet. So let's do that. The way to save products in Dabble is with our Chrome extension. Click the big purple button at the bottom of this video to go to the Chrome Web Store, and then click Add to Chrome. As soon as you install, you'll see a tutorial page like this that shows you how to use the extension. Let's go through it. First, open that little puzzle icon on the top right of your browser and pin the purple D icon. Now click on it to open, and I'll log in with the account I just created on the website. As soon as you log in, you'll see that Dabble pulls out the images from the page. Notice the chair and rug. These are basically some mock products we've added for the sake of the tutorial. Now choose the chair and click Next. You'll notice that Dabble automatically removes the background from the image. You can add an optional name and price and click the Furniture category to save. Now click on the Dabble icon again and do the same thing with the rug, but click on Rug as the category this time. Alright, so we've saved 2 products to your wish list. This is basically how you'll save products from any online store. So the next time you're on a product page, just click on the purple D icon like so to add it to your collection. Let's now open Dabble and go back to the design we started earlier. You'll now see that the 2 products we saved are in your wishlist panel. Drag the chair into the page. You can scale it, flip it, or duplicate it using the control panel. We'll position it here. And now drag the rug. See how the rug flattens automatically? Dabble makes it easy to visualize a room in an abstract way, so you can focus on aesthetics and design without getting too bogged down by the layout of your room. And that's it. There's a lot more features to explore in Dabble, but now that you know the basics, you can start clipping more products and designing your space. At any point, you can share a design by clicking on the purple share icon. Share your designs with the rest of the Dabble community on our Facebook group. The link to the Facebook group is on the top right. Welcome to Dabble and happy designing!